Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you another DIY. So if DIYs on a budget is what you're looking for, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So what I'm doing is taking some of that Mod Podge and applying it to this foam heart. And now I have one of those fabric bundles that you can purchase from the Dollar Tree. I've cut it up into strips, and now I am applying those strips using the Mod Podge on top of the heart. And what we're going to make is a fabric heart. And as you can see, I have one of those sponge brushes that I purchased from the Dollar Tree to apply the Mod Podge, and I am just tapping it around and on top of the fabric pieces. Now, one thing you can do that I thought about doing later is actually putting some Mod Podge mixture with a little water in a bottle, a spray bottle, and just spraying the Lord Jesus, I'm into Thanksgiving, guys. Heart, and just spray the heart with it and just apply the strips that way. And as you can see, I am just layering it with these fabric strips, and I just used one of the bundles. And I even had some left over after I finished wrapping this heart. I think you all get the gist of it, but I do want to keep this part in the video just so you will see how each step worked, or how it was applied, I should say. I want to welcome all of my new subscribers to my channel. I also want to welcome back all of my returning subscribers. I pray each and every one of you have had a blessed week, and I pray that you are making plans to have a great weekend. I know I am. I was able to complete everything that I needed to complete at work, so I'm headed into the weekend with a clean slate, and we'll be stress-free. And as you can see, what I did to the front, I'm sort of doing to the back, with the exception of I'm taking the long strands and just using the Mod Podge to secure them to the back side of this pumpkin. I keep saying pumpkin, this heart, guys. If you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload anything to my channel. Again, all I'm doing is just applying the Mod Podge and fabric to this heart. I just use somewhat of a crisscross pattern to affix the strips to the heart. Guys, I think I may just upload one more Valentine's Day DIY to the channel between now and Sunday, because you know that Valentine's Day is next week. I hope that, you know, if you're in a relationship, that you have thought about your significant other and plan something special for him or her. I don't know what I'm gonna do for my husband yet. You know, outside of the obvious. Just continue to be a good wife for him. I mean, what were you guys thinking? And what I decided to do was use the heating tool just to speed up the drying process. I know a lot of people don't like doing this because they say that it makes their projects like sticky, but I didn't have this problem. As a matter of fact, I never have this problem when I use Mod Podge in this way. Again, guys, if you are liking any of the content that I'm bringing to you on my channel, please make sure that you're sharing it with your friends, your family, your enemies, just to everyone. You don't have to just keep me all to yourself. Share my content so that everyone can experience the joy of crafting. Get it? Joy. Now, I will say the type of Mod Podge you use is really dependent upon you. I'm using a matte Mod Podge. I did not want to use my glossy on this piece. But if you want to, you can. It's up to you. And this really turned out cute. So I can't, did I say pumpkin again, guys? This heart. It's really turned out cute. And I can promise you it's not a pumpkin. I don't know why I have pumpkin on my mind. I think we did so many pumpkin DIYs back in the fall that my mind automatically associates foam object with pumpkin. But this is a heart. Heart joy, heart joy. And as you can see, I am just making sure that all of the pieces of this fabric is laying flat against this heart. And it's really, really cute. I really like this. I did this before and did it as a macrame, not macrame, as a paper mache, as well as use some yarn. And this turned out really cute. I don't know if I have the video for that. If I do, I may add it to the channel. And now you see me take some of these extremely large buttons, but these are the only one I could find nearby. And I put them down the center. And now I'm getting ready to make a jute twine bow to add to this. And of course, you know, I'm going to burn the frays off of them, or off of the bow, because I don't like that. To each its own. And then I'm also going to create a small hanger for this piece. And I am just going to glue it in the back. And again, guys, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button and don't forget about the notification bell. That way, YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to my channel. Now, you see me struggling there. The inside of the tip of this bottle top, the Mod Podge started to dry. And look at that, guys. Did that not turn out cute? I think this heart turned out adorable. It's cute. Guys, I pray that you've enjoyed watching me as I created this beautiful heart-shaped DIY, not pumpkin. And I pray that you have a great weekend. But until the next DIY, bye.